Hi, today we are going to check out this Figma MCP with two of things. And the first one is closer to talk Figma. Closer talk to Figma MCP. Yeah, Figma MCP. And the second one is, it was like a Figma Context MCP, and it has changed the name. Maybe Figma Framelink Figma MCP server. Yeah, just leave it like Figma Context. Yeah, I'll just leave it in the side. As a user, you cannot use this cursor to talk MCP. And as a developer, maybe you cannot really use this one. The bottom one will be really better. But you can. But it's like more good to be in the designer or the project manager or the owner or a UI architect. The first one is cursor to talk. As you can see here, I have already set it up. If you guys really want to know how to set it up, please say on the comments. So let me know. I'll make some videos for you. And when you set it up, there is 43 like actions you can be added. And this everything is like making and creating those events in Figma file. In the Figma, it was just making some little really small project that can like manage your stocks or inventory. What's this one? And let's make really simple UX. Maybe this one. I'll make it to the test. And this one was like made by this Stitch. And this everything doesn't really have the right name inside. Okay. And the plugin, I have to start cursor talk. And this one will be the local host. And copy this one. Okay, it has started. Connect channel. Join channel to this one. All right, I think I'm in. What do you see in selected frame? I think it will specify, yeah, get selection. The prompt has to be really simple. The login screen, yep, exactly, yep, login. Okay, first of all, if you are a designer of this, I can maybe change the color of the blue to the purple. Okay, let's say our primary color is purple. Change purple to change blue color to purple. Okay, it's checking out. Yeah, it has changed to circle. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, change made, background, the button tab. Okay. What about in the frame, in the selection, the login and sign in is both used? I want to use just sign in. Okay, with the LLM and the MCP, it should be editing this up. Yeah, it has changed to the sign in. Yeah, so finding text and those things are happening. Okay, what about change to dark color? Can you change to dark mode? Okay, it's working. Okay, what is this white one? All right, it's not really perfect at all. So I think when you're making some of this events, just use the code, I think. That will be much better. I can't really go back. Okay, then if I want to take this placeholder to the up, how can it be happen? In the selection, I want to have text fields title on the top left with a small margin. Okay, let's see. Username and password. I didn't say about that. So he has to recognize this is text field and this is text field and this is not a text field. Okay, that was not really perfect at all. But anyway, where's the label? Okay, I can't see the user name and the password. Make it to show. Label was incorrect. Okay, it's going back. I said it's top left, wasn't it? Okay, maybe I can do it with manually, really simple. Okay. My first thought about this MCP is not really, you can't use it like real-time design things. Maybe just for some text editing and find the font, find some color hex code. That could be really good. I know if I have really bad prompts, there will be really bad outputs. So I have to figure out how to do it. But my first impression could be like this. This is for the first part. And second part is this Framelink Figma MCP server. So I said here is like as a developer, not designer, because you can't really design with it. You can just have the links and tell the like cloud or the cloud code or the cursor that you can just tell about the links. Okay, let's start. In here, Framelink MCP is here. Okay, just for the, make it really clear, like just disable this disabled. And let's see. I'll ask exactly the same question when I did it the first time with this first one. Yeah, it was this one. I'll just right click and copy links to selection and go to the desktop, make a new cloud desktop. Tell me about this. Yeah, it's the login screen, IO stock, main structure with, it's like this. As you can see here, the link and the just pasting the link, it just recognizes all of it, like user input, login form is like this, interaction. And this one is really simple to use. Just copy the link and paste it back, and that's it. So you don't really have to like make these connections on all of it. Just paste the link. I haven't made this one yet. And I haven't even made this before. And here, like open a claude. I have already set this up in the MCP here with the Framelink Figma MCP. Okay, first of all, let's run the app as the components all have been made already. Let's check it out. My old process is like, are you really there with all the components? Okay, team member. Yeah, it's not really actually there. There has to be an email, username, and the type. And when did they join? Yeah, I think we have to add this one. Okay, let's go to Stitch. I didn't really expect to go this far. Always, I'm doing it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that looks much better. So, let's start. If you have this frame link, you can just right click and copy the link to the selection and go to the cloud code. Just tell him team member page. Okay, cloud, change design of team member page. The design is here. So that's it. That's just all happens again, and you can just wait until the cloud code do it. Fetch Figma file from the data, and it fetches it and erases it and moves away and redesign it. That's it. Just wait. It's almost done. Right, it's done. Okay, to member. Yeah, I do think. But I had made Spurt admin and the admin and the user. Yeah, that was all. But it has changed the owner and the staff. Let's see on the code. Spurt admin is the owner, admin as a manager. Yeah, just make it this Spurt admin, and this is another. It's almost there in the code, the size and the font. Oh, the email position is like, it's not right there. As a developer, you can do these things and you can change it with the code, right? So I think this is most best way to use this Figma MCP, and you style it from now, right there. Is it really good to use? The first one, the cursor to talk, was not really good for the users that who wants to design. Nope. And Framelink, yeah, it's really good to use. Just copy the link and paste it to the cloud code or the cursor. It just works. How do you think about this? I think I'm gonna make some little bit of this design updates. I know it's not really good design, and my friend says Figma makes this much better than the Stitch. So I'm gonna try that out and I'll tell you what happens next. And thank you. And this was my Figma MCP with a first impression as a user or a developer, or any of you have been really curious about this. Is it really real, or is it really bad to use, or really good for me? Just think about it and just let me know in the comments. Thank you, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.